So over here you can see that I have this particular site and I got some site contents right here. Let me just go ahead and open up the site in the new tab. I got some site contents. Let's say for some reason I want to go ahead and export out these site contents. In that case, what you can actually do is you can go ahead onto the tools section right here, and then you can see that export is an option. So once you go around onto export, you can see that you have an option to export the content right here, just like this. So now what I can actually do is, let's say for example, go to export all to export all of the contents of the site. And then once I go ahead and do that, it says your export was successful and a download link has been sent to your email. So let's just go ahead on to my email right now. And over here, you can see that this is the download link. So now it says it'll be available for the next 7 days. So let's just go ahead and download it out right here. And then you can see that I can download the exported file right here. I'm going to go ahead and save it out onto my TutorTube drive right here. And then you can see that I got my site content exported and downloaded as the single file over here. And that is how you can go ahead and export out the site content from wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.